All right, moving right along, here's another example here. Let's see if we can simplify this. And then remember, our simplified final answer cannot have any negative exponents in it, all right? So let's use our rules that we know. We have like bases here. These r's are the same, so we call them like bases. These 7's are the same, so we call them like bases. So here, let's just take this, these r's. When we're dividing like bases, what do we do to the exponents? We subtract them, okay? So this will be r to the negative 5 minus negative 8. Was that tricky for you? Okay, let's think about this again. I mean, this is the way that we need to do this. This is negative 5 minus whatever the exponent on the bottom is. Normally, the exponents that we have in our denominators up until now have been positive. So this normally would have been like a positive 8, okay? But here, we're being given a negative exponent because we can work with the negative exponents now. We know how to do that. So negative 5 minus negative 8. Ooh, minus a negative. Remember back to doing your operations with integers. What is minus or subtracting a negative? That's the same thing as adding a positive. Okay. So this is like negative 5 plus a positive 8. All right? So negative 5 plus a positive 8 will be, in the end, a positive 3. Okay? So it's really r to the third. Look at that. All of this reduces down to r to the positive third. Cool. All right, let's do the same with our 7's. All right, so we keep the 7, it's the like base, and then we do negative 2 minus negative 5. Minusing or subtracting a negative. Remember, subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. So that's really like saying negative 2 plus a positive 5, which in the end is a positive 3. All right? So this entire expression simplifies to r to the third, 7 to the third. All right? Now, I would also accept, if you're thinking about some other rules that you know, this is a great answer, and I would accept this as full credit. Okay? There is another way that you could express this for folks who are already thinking along these lines. And this goes back to some other videos, so this is totally fine if you want to leave it like it is right now, full credit. If you did, however, want, you could also do this. Since both of these bases have the same exponent, what we can do is extract that same exponent, okay? And then distribute it with a parentheses. And again, this is something that we've done in another video. So if you're not comfortable doing that at this point, you can go back to those other videos. But you can always, if you have the same exponent, extract it and then just multiply the two bases times each other and have that exponent on the outside of the parentheses. So long story short is this is a great answer and this is a great answer, and both are perfectly good examples or final answers for reducing this expression in the first place. All right, let's try another one next time.